Hi there traders and welcome to the daily recap show for Friday's session in Europe. We're going to start with the FTSE as always. I hope you're having a great weekend. These were the zones. We said the markets were still likely to be trading on thin volumes, but so caution was required. That was due to obviously Thanksgiving in the United States last week. We said resistance was at 74.88 to 74.98. And the initial support was at 74.40 to 74.46. Let's go and have a look at the FTSE on Friday. Okay, so you can see the only real zone that we had that we was looking to trade from was that 74.88 to 74.98, and you can see that zone worked really nicely in the markets on Friday. If you had managed to get a reversal pattern from here, that was the first nice opportunity. This one here is also a nice one, having just taken out the liquidity from that previous high there, so taking out some stops from there. Probably would have preferred it myself if it had taken out this high as well, but certainly still valid from there, and that was a really nice one. This one I wouldn't necessarily have taken. One, there's no reversal pattern there for me, and two, it hadn't had any sort of liquidity grab. Here we actually had grabbed that liquidity from before, and that you can see was a really nice sell-off. We then did come back and retest it, but that was that was after the European session had finished. So realistically, this was the only trade that was of a good high probability setup. Like I say, if you had managed to get something as per your plan on this initial one, that would have also been okay. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so again we mentioned that there was going to be thin volumes. We said sustained breaks above. This should have been 14.560 to 14.575. Sorry, apologies for the typo on the report. That could see moves higher, and initial support came in at 14.480 to 14.495. So let's go and have a look at the DAX on Friday. So you can see we actually pushed above that 14.560 to 575 zone pre-market, but then we got this strong impulsive push back below, suggesting the false break before the market, like on the cash open, and then we just really meandered around between those two. So we did actually come back and we tested it, and we used that as resistance, that 14.560 to 14.575 zone. Nothing really there for me as a reversal pattern. If you'd managed to get something as per your plan and a reversal in it, that would have been fine, but nothing there for me. And then as you can see, we just chopped around for the rest of the day. Didn't really get down. We front run the initial support zone, but nothing in there. So really nothing to do with the DAX. Only the zones worked well. Just the action that I was really expecting was just very choppy and low volume. So the FTSE had the best chance and the best opportunities from that key support zone. Key resistance zone. But other than that, nothing really to be done for us. So that's last week was very tricky in trading. You can probably see thin volumes, not really much going on. Hopefully we'll now Thanksgiving's out of the way, we've got non-farm payrolls this week and lead up to Christmas, but the next sort of 2 or 3 weeks hopefully should be normal trading conditions, and we can get some good opportunities in the market. So hope you're having a great weekend. Wishing you a profitable week's trading this week, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.